Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Love Me hair curly wig. So this is what the hair looks like wet and dry, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I install this hair in 1 minute. So stay tuned and let's get started. So this is what the hair looks like when it's dried, and also this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies, and you also get a wig cap, an instruction of how to take good care of your hair, and a lace wig brush. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. You've got your elastic band. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 at the back, and look at that guys, the curls are popping straight out of the box. All I did was just use the elastic band to install the hair, and we are done. That's it, all done. I used my fingers to cool the hair and brush the curls out, and that was it. Just slapping it on and you are good to go. No gel, no glue, no nothing. How amazing is that? This is a very amazing hair for summer, and you don't have to worry about any you know unnecessary glue or gel. So yeah, that's it. This is the hair dried. Look at that, very puffy, very full, and the curls are popping. I love the hair. I love the fact that it's versatile and you can wear it wet, you can wear it you know dried, and if you want that big head to hair type of look, you can also go for that as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, it's very affordable and the quality of the hair is fabulous. So yeah, I love the fact that I can manipulate the hair however I like to suit my face. This hair would definitely suit anyone, trust me, just anyone. It's gonna shape your face perfectly and give you that gorgeous baby face type of look, if that makes sense. So you can actually apply, or you can actually spray water without needing to apply your mousse or anything like that. You will still get that popping curl. Look at this curls guys, the curls are popping. So all I did was just use the brush to pop up the curls a little bit more to give me that big head don't care type of look, and also that afro type of look which I was actually feeling in this video. As you guys can tell, there is no need for you to use extra products. It's a low maintenance hair, so you can just spray your water and you would be good to go. So yeah, look at that, very easy, very straightforward, and I am loving it. What do you guys think? For me, I am a huge fan of this hair and I am loving it. Look at that, look at that. You guys can already tell that I was actually feeling myself in this video. Bear in mind that you don't have to you know you don't have to apply any product on the hair, as I mentioned earlier, and you can also trim the bangers you place. And look at that, the more you pop it up, the more you get that volume. Look at how soft and how bouncy the hair is. Look at that, very soft, very fluffy, and very full as well. I really love this hair. I love the fact that I can actually style it anyhow I like, whether you know dry or wet, depending on my mood, and I will still be looking gorgeous. Yes, so as I mentioned earlier, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you will definitely love this hair. So let me know what you guys think, because for me, I am loving this. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, leave the comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. This hair is definitely gonna be my go-to summer hair, because obviously the sun is out. I don't need glue, I don't need gel, I don't want to stress, nothing at all. Stress free, hassle free. And when I'm done wearing the wig, or when I get home, just take it off. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this bouncy bang wig by Love Me Hair, and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. I am loving it. It's very easy to install. 1 minute install out of the door, straight out of the box. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to cut any lace. You don't need any glue. You don't need any gel or spray to install this hair, and you don't even need professionals to install this hair. All you need to do is just use the elastic band in the wig to install your hair, and off you go. Like 1 minute install, you are good to go. So as you guys can tell, the hair is really secure. It's going nowhere. Look at that, it's going nowhere. See, it's going nowhere. The thing I love about this is how convenient it is for me to, you know, wear it, install it, and take it off. It's very convenient in the sense you don't need to do much to achieve that gorgeous look that you are going for with it. Another thing I love about this is the fact that it's a low maintenance hair, meaning you don't need anything at all, guys. You can just spray water on the hair to achieve this voluminous look. But I don't have my bottled water with me, so I just have to use my mousse. But you don't have to use any product at all to, you know, achieve that gorgeous bouncy curls that I have here on me. It also comes with this brush. How amazing is that? So spray your water on the hair if you want that power voluminous look that I'm wearing right now. Then brush your hair, you know, to give it that gorgeous puffy big hair don't care type of look. So this is also a bonus for me, which is really handy when I love the gorgeous curls on this hair. And I love the fact that the hair actually framed my face really well and the look you're going for. This hair can actually suit virtually anybody. Trust me, it can suit anybody. All you have to do is just to manipulate the hair according to your face shape, and you will achieve that voluminous, gorgeous, power, big hair, don't care type of look. But the hair is the quality of the hair and how versatile the hair is, meaning where the hair wet or dry. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. And you guys already know when it comes to quality, Love Me Hair do not compromise. I love the quality of all their hairs, and I love the fact that they have different styles, different texture, different colors, and different lengths of all types of hair on their website. And if you visit their website, you will definitely find something for you and your loved ones. I would leave a coupon code for you guys in the description box below so that you can save your coin when shopping with them. But would I recommend this hair? Absolutely. In terms of the quality of the hair, is definitely a plus for me, because the hair is so versatile, and you can wear it wet or dry, and also you can manipulate the hair however you want. And in terms of the construction of the cap, I really love how, you know, well neat and professional the cap of this wig. Really neat and very professional. And I love the fact that it came with an elastic band that I actually used to install the hair. In terms of their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which for me is really amazing. In terms of their shipping, is definitely a plus for me, because the shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK. And in terms of their packaging, I always love their packaging. It's very presentable and very cute, and it came with loads of amazing goodies, and the brush right here, which is very handy, not just for this video, but for any, you know, for any wig installation that you might have in the future. So yeah, I love the brand when it comes to quality hair. Whatever hairstyle or color or length that you purchase from Love Me Hair, I can guarantee you that it's definitely going to be top notch. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.